Jaketo. Che goro no baling tode. Ko obviously na nagake ko kunwara. Lakin wurdi che goro baling tode. Kane ra jaketo. Ajene che nang la osi no question. Nere jin bakel wi ngwan. Allow gabel jin bakel wi ngwan. Ha? Anguma ba na na gabi le kel radio. Question mo ne. Tieje ne ka ne tone. Ke tie ni South Sudanese dial. Taba ling en video mo no mo. Ke roi chalado. Angu managa ne ide te shwale nuare. Ke angu managa ne ide shwale nuare. Re gabel te jin bakel wi ngwan. Angu no ko kon citizen te kon. Obviously o na kan nuare. Lakin ka politician it's a very hard question. Jin mo kuyi o ne jin abi puj ke mo kuyi puj. Ajeno bina jo na kana na dial. Ke me na kana ne nuore ke o ne ka nuore. Aram kuyi puj no ye me sha to watang nuore. Me sha ga ka na sha na ka nuore. Lakin ramala to mo politician mla to. Bella de no ne na kana o ka nuore. Kajin gaji ma jin citizen lor bang na mi jin politician kui da la mu ne de ku na nuore me de ku na gabile kel re gabel to 64 tribes ka juba capital city mamma ne na dialtin ngu ba ku ni nuore re city ko mo ke re na dialo question mo ne it's a very hard question and very uncomfortable ka politician. To other South Sudanese, you see Dr. Riek Machar is interacting with people by asking a question. He says among the 64 tribes, why is it that one ethnicity is being singled out in Juba? We do understand Juba is a capital city of South Sudan, whereby all the 64 tribes are inside Juba. But on that day, when the war happened in 2013, it was the Nuer people that were dragged out of their homes. They were collected from door to door and they were forced to eat their fellow comrades. Checkpoints were set to ask whether those people who are passing through checkpoints are Nuer or not. Passports were checked. Estates were asked, which estate are you from? Names were asked, because Nuer have their own names. In Juba, all the possible means were tried. Every possible mean to see whether you are a Nuer or you are from a different ethnicity was tried. So, this question for ordinary citizens of South Sudan, it's very easy to answer for us because obviously people were killed in Juba because they were Nuer. Because if not because they were Nuer, everyone would have been killed. Everyone would have been collected from door to door. But it didn't happen. It only happened to the Nuer people. So obviously, as an ordinary citizen, not a politician, you will understand that because of these people being from the Nuer ethnicity, that was the reason why the Kir regime went and followed them from where they are. So when it comes to the politicians, this is a very uncomfortable question to answer, and it's very hard. It's only an honest politician that will answer, and that will be easy for him. But for a very dishonest politician, it will be very hard for them. If they do not have shame, they will deny, they will say that no, it was not because these people are Nuer. So what could be the reason? What could be the reason for those who think that it is because of something else? If it is not because they were Nuer, why is it not that everybody was being killed in Juba? The number of the people from the Nuer community that was that was murdered is much greater than any other community. What could be the reason? So this question, he does not want the citizens to hear from him, Riek Machar, but instead he's asking a question. He posed a question of, among the 64 tribes, why is it that one ethnicity was singled out? You as an ordinary citizen, it is your responsibility to see and answer for yourself, not to hear it from him.